We discuss about presentation, creating new slides, and customizing the master slide and creating a customized template. Also, we discuss, and also we discuss how to download a new template and apply it here. Then we learn about the animation pane and transition pane. Actually, today we have to learn about inserting multimedia like images, shapes, videos, audio to the presentation. Actually, I have asked one thing to do as a homework. I hope it's in the queue. It's on right. It's ready by now. But next day you can present it. I'll give you a chance to present it also. So those who have done that, please present it next day. So the topic is 10 good things I did. Mama karapu evane mege oala karapu. Yes.
Sir, can I make something else?
No, because it should be unique. So that's the reason, right? Don't deviate from the topic. So please, everyone, to actually do this to be unique. Telling. So please use 10 good things I did, right? So why I'm telling? So it's easy topic. It's easy topic, and you don't want to browse internet to find information because it's about you. It's about the things that you did, and you should be able to present yourself. That will develop your personality, right? If you present about yourself.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, you told us to make a quiz.
Yes, that is 2 days before, not last week, before last week, I think, right? The quiz one.
Last week's
Last
also
week.
you
Okay.
told.
Okay. Have you made some?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll give you a chance. Please present it now because I thought that that is given like 1 week ago. I just remember like okay. So I'll give you a chance to present that also. So, but first of all, let's go to the today's lesson. And Don, please remind me again. I'll definitely give you a chance to present that quiz. And anyway, the next week we are going to test about that, right? The 10 good things I did. You have to create a nice presentation, and you can use the skills that
We make videos.
yeah, images, videos, multimedia, audio, everything about you. So you have to present yourself as a strong personality. That's all. Right? So that's why it's really important. So presenting about you is not easy. I know that. So because most of the students are shy, they don't like to present. They don't like to tell about themselves, but they like to tell about others, but not about you. So let's see how you're going to present yourself next day, right? Okay. And so this week, I'm going to teach you some other skills. Insert in multimedia. Actually, insert shapes I did. So insert shapes I did. And insert multimedia means images and all. So today we are going to create a small like music. It's not music video, actually it's a slideshow video. To do that, we need some images. Okay, so this is not about you, so you can easily because when I tell this percent about you, you
Sir,
are
about
yeah.
what are we going to make?
Today.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go to the topic like beautiful places in Sri Lanka.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in the you told us the way of making a design last week, no?
Yeah.
So, sir, in some of the designs, the first slide has a specific picture, and all the other has some other pictures.
Yeah.
So, how to make like that?
So because I said that, so when there are like, okay, so let's go to file new presentation. So when you insert a new slide, you can see there are different slides. Title slide, title and content slide, header slide, to content slide, blank slide. Likewise, you have different slides now. So these are layouts now, right? So accordingly, in the master view, here when you go to the master slide, so this is the main master slide, and these are the title. This is title slide. This is a title, and here another template. Likewise, all the templates are available here. So these templates can be edited in different way. So whatever the background apply to this one, you can apply another background to this one, another one to this one. Likewise, you can change any number of times. You can change it to template by template, right? Okay,
Okay.
right. Let's go back to today's lesson. So what we are going to do today, we are going to download some beautiful places in Sri Lanka. To do that, please go to the Google. So this is in grade 6. This was in grade 6. Sorry, this was in grade 6. I hope you have learned. But if you cannot remember, I'll just remind you. Let's say you want to image of Sigiriya. Sigiriya. Then go to Sigiriya. Go search like Sigiriya and go to images. In Sinhala මෙතන තියෙන රූපක හරි මොන හරි එහෙම එකක් තියෙන රූපන හරි images කියන එකට යන්න
Sir,
ප්‍රතිරූපණය
Anurupa.
අනුරූපද
Yes, sir.
අනුරූප හරි මාක් කරගන්න. Oh, Sigiriya, then images, but don't go and click on any image. Instead of go click on tools. Sigiriya images tools වල click කරන්න. When you click on the tools, you can see the size. Please select size as large because we need large images to do this. Right? How I did this? I searched Sigiriya in Google, then went to images tab. In the images tab, I have selected tools in the corner. Tools, mevalam කියලා ඇති සිංහලෙන්. Tools in the corner. In the tools, you have size. From the size, please select large. Then you will get large images. After getting these large images, click on the image. Just click on any image and wait until it loads this side. Then you can right click, save image as, and save it to your computer. I'm saving to desktop and save it. Okay, let's say you want to search about, you want to have images in Candy. Tools, size, large. Let's go to this image or this image, whatever. This is nice. Right click. So wait until this loads. Load වෙනකන් ඉන්න. If it is not loading, let me try for some other image. So what about this one? Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
So we can hear you.
Just search it, search like Candy, and do the same. After searching Candy, select tools, size, large size images. Click on the image that you like to download. Once it is loaded here, right? So wait until it loads here, this side. Then right click on the image, save image as, and save it. So please get high quality images, then save it. This is another one. So if you want, right click, save it. So likewise, search about different places, Kurunegala, Galle. Galle, the iconic one is, you know, this one. Right, let's right click, save image as, save it. And iconic for Kurunegala is the lake and the stone. This one's lake and this mountain, right? The Kurunegala rock or the, so where's that? Kurunegala, no nice pictures. You have to go and capture one. All the images are like.
Excuse me, sir. Did you took goal?
Yeah, already. Go already clock tower.
Sir, we can take from Jaffna.
Yeah, Jaffna. So let's go to Attugala. Let's search Attugala. Attugala. You have, this is there. This one. This is nice. Just download it. Okay, likewise, you can get Jaffna, other places, nice places like Trincomalee, Unawatuna, or Kirind, right? You can search places in Sri Lanka and please download at least 10 images. At least 10 images. I'll give you 2 minutes. I think it's enough. 10 images, right? Please download 10 images. I'll tell you how to insert that after downloading. Go to your presentation, insert picture from file, then click on the picture that you have downloaded. Okay, I have downloaded this image. Okay. And not only that, I have downloaded another one. Insert picture. So how to get a new slide? In the home, you can go to the new slide and the corner, click on the corner arrow and click blank slide, right? New slide එකේ මෙතන arrow එකේ click කරලා blank කියන එක select. Then you'll get a blank slide. Or you can go to the first slide and click it. Then it will give another slide. Go to the first slide, enter. Then you'll get another slide. Okay, to this slide, actually, if you don't have a blank slide, go to this and insert a blank slide, then that will give. Then again, insert picture from file, and you can insert another image. Security this time. 2 images. Just click enter. Let's have another image. Or you can directly copy and paste from internet, right? That is also okay. That means you can just, if you have image, if you found image, like this, okay, this, let's say this is your image that you found. After that, you can just click on the image, right click, copy image,
Excuse me, sir.
right click, just wait, right click, copy image, then go there, Control V, right click, paste, or Control V. Then also you can get the image. Yes, now you can tell.
Sir, can we get like hotel pictures?
No matter. So I just want to emphasize the maybe. So this is for tourism. Let's say we are going to do this for tourism. You can publish this in your YouTube channel, right? So beautiful Sri Lanka. So maybe after COVID situation, we need a lot of support from the foreigners to rebuild our country again. Because now, we are suffering from lack of foreign investments, lack of dollars. We are not getting enough cash from the outside world due to this COVID pandemic situation. So what we can do after the pandemic, we can invite the tourists to come and enjoy the country and the nature, thereby support the country to actually come back to the normal status. Because a lot of people will lose their jobs, a lot of people will actually suffer from this poverty. Like, so you can also contribute to the nation, right? Even you are not young. So you are so you are not young, but think as young people. So you are still like preteens, but the thing is that so you have to think like a responsible civilian in the country. So you can take the responsibility. So normally your responsibility is also taken by your parents. That is true. But not only that, you can also take the responsibility for to the nation. Right? You can support. So one thing that you can do is something like this in your level. Use your education, use the school education that you get to do something. Finish downloading 10 images, copy and paste in Canva.
No, sir, still doing.
Sir, the nine.
Sir, give few minutes.
Okay. Satika, yes, what's your problem, Pute?
Sir, I'm finished.
Finish, good. Okay, let's say you have like on Vilpattu. That is another nice place. So it's Vilpattu. And you need large images, sorry. Choose size large. Vilpattu some large image. Okay, like this one. What about this? It's so nice image, but I miss it.
Done, sir.
Okay, so let's copy this and copy and pasting is also okay, like this. Okay, now you have, okay, as I assume that you have downloaded 10 images. If not, I'll send you some images. I'll send you some images in case if you couldn't download anything. So let me send some images. Send this without any transitions. Okay, let me send this to you. If in case if you couldn't download, please use this. So if you are using, maybe if you are using, so is there anyone using OpenOffice? Already know the OpenOffice පාවිච්චි. Is there anyone using OpenOffice? If you're using OpenOffice, I'll send the OpenOffice template also, right? OpenOffice එකත් ඕන නම් මම එවන්නම්. කවුරුහරි OpenOffice පාවිච්චි කරනවා. On OpenOffice also you can do the same. OpenOffice, the advantage is OpenOffice is free. Right? Advantage is OpenOffice is free. My recommendation, if you don't have a paid version of Microsoft Office PowerPoint, so you can download OpenOffice. That is free one.
So can we download Microsoft Study Office package?
Yeah, study one is also okay. You can have student email and download. That is also okay.
So how do we download?
You should have Academic Alliance supported email, right? So there are ways to create that. You can just Google it or YouTube it. So then you can find how to get. The legal way is actually you should have Academic Alliance support email. So universities are giving that. Some colleges are giving that. Yes.
Sometimes if you have Microsoft Teams, you can use that email to log in and then
Yes,
you can.
yes, that is because yes, Microsoft Teams, if you are using, but that means your school has purchased the package, then Microsoft
Yes.
365 will be available to you in the academic email.
Yes, sir. Home student.
Yes, that is also possible. So that is the legal way, right? But there are a lot of fake and cheating ways to get that. But I don't recommend that methods as this is a class, right? But in case if you need a free version, my recommendation is go for Impress, OpenOffice Impress. That has all the features. Okay, so I have sent you the file, Pute. You can download that in case if you miss images, please go through that file and you can just open the presentation that I have sent. And that presentation contains all the images, 10 images that I have downloaded. Okay, the first thing, what you're going to do with this. First thing, please reduce your slide size. Because if you see the 100% slide or fit view like this, then it's difficult to work in this slide view. So my recommendation is please reduce this to a manageable level, maybe 50% even okay. So make it smaller, right? Make it smaller. And also make your picture bigger than the slide. So why is that? So that is needed, right? So don't show the entire picture at the first go. So make your picture bigger, scale it. Scale it, actually make it bigger than the slide. slide එක මේ ගාන නම් slide එකට වැඩි ටිකක් ලොකු වෙන්න ඕන. ටිකක් කියන්නේ slide එකට වැඩි slide එක 100% නම් if slide is 100%, this should be like 125% at least. Right. Okay, please make the picture bigger than the slide. That's why I asked you to take a larger picture. The second one also you can do the same. So make a picture and the picture should be somewhat bigger than the slide. You can align to one. So if the first picture I have aligned this to left corner, පළවෙනි picture එක මම වම් පැත්තට align කරන්නේ. වම් පැත්තේ corner එකට. and දෙවෙනි picture එක දකුණු පැත්තේ corner එකට align. I'm making this to right corner. Okay, now I'm going to create interesting one animation. So I'll go to the first one. And then I'll add animation, a custom animation actually. When I click this picture, I need a path animation to move this from center to this side. Actually, I have already added that. Right? Let's make it, if you download my slides, it's already there. I'm adding a path animation that is actually moving from center to left. මොකද මේ image එක align වෙලා තියෙන්නේ left වලට. ඉතින් මම center ඉඳන් left වලට තවත් එක move කරනවා. I'm moving from center to left. Okay, my animation, when I go to the animation pane, it will look like this. The picture is moving from here. Picture is moving. So starting from the corner, picture is moving. Then you can see like, it's like I'm panning the camera. මම camera එක pan කරනවා වගේ තමයි පේන්නේ. ඒ කියන්නේ picture එකක් වුණාට මම camera එකක් තියාගෙන මෙහෙම නිකන් camera එක move කරනවා වගේ තමයි පේන්නේ. මෙහෙම මේ විදිහට move වෙද්දි බලන්න. It looks like I'm panning the camera. It gives liveness to the image. Right? Because this is just image. This is not video. I want to add liveness. That's why I'm panning. Okay, so when you're panning this, please give to the animation, please give 6 seconds. Duration should be 6 seconds. So if it is like 5 seconds, that is also okay. 5 or 6 seconds. And start with the previous, because this is on click. So normally it's on click. So please make it with previous. Right? If you have any difficulty, please let me know. Listen carefully and apply this, right? හරියට අහන් ඉඳලා කරන්න නැත්නම් miss වෙයි. I'm always recommending you to come to the Sinhala medium class and English medium class both, because when you feel difficulty in the practical session, since we are doing this 2 times now, in Sinhala medium class එකේ අපි කරලා 4:50 ඉඳන් 5:50 වෙනකන් කරලා තමයි English medium class එකෙත් කරන්නේ. එතකොට ඔයාලට නිකන් practical පොඩ්ඩක් අමාරුයි වගේ නම් සිංහල මීඩියම් එකටත් එන ගමන් ඉංග්‍රීසි එකට එන්න. එතකොට ඔයාලා එක පැයක් ඒක කරලා තමයි ආයෙත් මේ පැයත් ඒක කරන්නේ. So you are doing 2 times per day. ඒක වගේ practice එක වැඩි කරනවා. Then you can easily capture this. හැබැයි ඔයාලට practical හොඳට පුළුවන් නම් දෙකටම එන්න ඕනේ. You can just come to the English medium class, that's enough. Right? Okay. Okay with this? Yes, Ali, we like.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I had a small network issue. Can you just repeat it from the beginning, please?
Yeah, the thing is that I can show you in your machine. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
I was adding the pictures at the moment, and I disconnected.
Okay, yes, Ali, what them parakvilane avila tibbene. Yes, Ali also join later. What I have done, yes, Ali, I have downloaded 10 pictures. I have already sent that file to you. If you missed that, so please download that again. මම ඔයගොල්ලන්ට දුන්න එකටම download කරන්න time එක. ඔයාලට miss වුණා නම් I'll send this file again, which I have created. I'm sending it. I think there's a noise in your microphone, yes, Ali. Seems. Okay, please download this. Please download the slide that I have sent, and please do the operations, or please apply these animations, because we are going to create a musical slideshow, right? It's not music video, musical slideshow. Okay. Those who said that you disconnected, you can share the screen. I'll teach you quickly. Then Yesali and others who joined later can also. Okay, I ask you to download pictures and make it bigger than the slide. Can you just drag it down? I just want to see the slide size and your picture size. Just drag it down. Okay, you have so many pictures. The background picture you have to erase. Don't get two pictures.
Sir, that's a picture of it's a design, sir.
It's a design, but I think you have to get a blank design, right? So go to the design and apply a blank design. Shamin, share it again. It is connected. Okay, go to the design and please change it to blank one.
Okay.
Right, I just want to see, right, I just want to see this now. Please drag it down. Drag it down a little. Okay. හරි. ඔයාගේ picture එක පොඩ්ඩක් ලොකු වෙනවා. තව චුට්ටක් මෙහාට ඇද්දත් කමන්නේ ඔය picture එක. තව පොඩ්ඩක් ලොකු කරාට කමන්නේ. Picture එක drag ලොකු කරන්න තව. මේ corner එකකින් drag කරන්න. ඔය එච්චර වැඩි. මම එච්චර වැඩි. දැන් පෙන්න ගන්න වෙන්නේ නැහැ මට. හරි. තව චුට්ටක් අඩු කරන්න. Okay, so this is what I asked you to do. Now please drag it down and align this to the right. Yeah, align to that corner. Okay, align to this side. Please align to this side. Hari, ඇති. දැන් අපි ඉතුරු ටික මේ පැත්තට drag කරලා තමයි පෙන්වන්න යන්නේ. To do that, please go to the animations. From there, please go to add animation. From there, please select more motion paths. Okay, from that, please draw. Please draw. Okay, you want to move this to the left side, right? Please select left. Click OK, and you can see. Okay, you can see how it's happening. Go to the animation pane, and just play it. And then you can see how it's working, right? It's like too big name. The චුට්ටක් අඩු කරත් කමන්න image එක. ඔයාලා wide නෙවෙයි අරන් තියෙන එක. හරි. Then play කරමු. Okay, that's okay. So let's make it 6 seconds. Duration should be 6 seconds. And the on start should be with previous. Yes, that's it. Play it and see. Okay, now you can see it's slow motion, it's moving nicely, smoothly. Right. So you can go to the second one now. Okay, so I'll shift to someone else's screen. Hari, man tawa කාටයි chance එකක් දෙන්න. ඔයා දැන් දන්නවනේ. Who's going to take the chance? Yes.
Excuse me, sir. I couldn't see the format.
Okay, so you can share the screen.
I need you to.
Okay, so one of you. ආයෙත් බලන් ඉන්න. දැන් යසලි ඔයාට එනකන් ඉන්න එපා chance එක. යසලි බලා ගන්න මේ අපේ කවුද දේවමින් කරනකොට ඔයා බලා ගන්න. ඔයා බලාගෙන ඔයාගේකට apply කරන්න. Otherwise like I would give chances to all 22. So then it will take the full time to teach you the first step. ඒ හින්දා අනිත් තව කෙනෙක් කරද්දි බලන්න අපි ඈ. Please go to so this is not this. Please go to the home. Okay, from that please reduce the size. This is like it's too heavy, so you cannot see the you can reduce the size by going to this corner. Reduce it further. දැන් ඔයා මේ image එක පොඩ්ඩක් පල්ලෙහාට අදින්න. මට බලා ගන්න ඕන slide එකේ size එක. Image එක පොඩ්ඩක් පල්ලෙහාට. මේ image එක click කරලා පල්ලෙහාට දාන්න. Just drag it down. මොකක්ද ඔයා දාලා තියෙන format එක? So this is a protected view, right? You can't edit this.
Sir, I can't take it.
No, open it. When you are opening, it will ask whether to open it in the edit view or protected. You have to select the edit view. Open it again. I have a close color open. Just close it and open it back. Don't close the share. Share it back. Please open and share it back. Share your screen. Okay, yes, Ali, I think you can take chance because it's delaying.
No, sir, he shared the PowerPoint the window, so that's why when he closed
Yeah,
that,
yes,
the
yes,
screen
yes,
share
yes.
also closes.
Yeah, you have enable editing. Oh, it close karanne you are in protected view again. Right? So
You
you
have
are,
to
yes,
right,
you
sir?
have enable editing. So you are again in the protected view. When you close that again, you will lose the screen. Right? This is in the repetitive stage now. They mean listen first to pay. Otherwise, you are in a big trouble. You are not listening. That's the reason. Edit it. Enable editing. Ahangin isalla. They are karana kaling isalla hagin. Now you can see it's not the protected view. Now you can edit it. Drag it down. Reduce the size first. Then drag it down. Just drag it down. Drag down the image. I just want to see. Oh, no, it's scaling. Scaling and dragging are two things. Right. I just want to see the, okay, you have enough gap. That's enough. Now align this to the left corner. Quickly, right? I'm not going to teach this again. So this is again not aligning. This is dragging. This is rescaling. Just align it. Right. Okay. Now go to the animation pane. And you can go to add animation. From there, you can select more motion paths. More motion paths. Wipe දාලා තියෙන දැන් ඔයා ඔකට wipe කියලා එකකුත් දාලා තියෙන දෙක තුනක් add වෙනවා දැන් මේකේ. Do you mean you are not doing practicals?
Doing, sir. I couldn't hear it correctly.
Come on, the palette යන්න. Okay, then go down further. You can see left. Amethyst left. Here. Left. Select that. Okay. Close it. Just close it. I just want go to the animation pane now. Animation pane. So here I think you have to erase this one. Right click and remove it. Right click and remove it. Go to this first one also you have to remove. So this style is like some other. Okay. Now add animation again. Click on this and animation again. Add animation. අනිත් අය බලාගෙන ඉන්න. අනිත් අයට දැන් මම ආයෙ කියලා දෙන්නේ නැහැ. මොකද මම කුටර් සැරයක් දැන් එකම දේ කියලා දුන්න හින්දා. Now select left. Okay, that will come to the animation pane. All right. Click OK. It's not coming now. Listen carefully, right? You have to apply this. OK is a way of applying. Confirm that by pressing OK. Now only it's coming there. Click on this. Do the same for other windows, right? Others, you can apply the animation for other. There are like 10 images, no? No, it's still not over, Putte. Kaam ivara naha. Anith ayata man kiwe. Oya ek karanaka. Click here. Here, what is the property? Metana mokadak දාන්න ඕන? You know that. බලන් හිටියනම් කියනවා with previous. With previous දාන්න ඕන. After previous නෙවෙයි. මෙතන කීයද දාන්න ඕන? How many seconds? Duration?
2 seconds.
2 seconds නෙවෙයි මම කිව්වේ. කියන්නේ බලන් ඉඳලා නෑ. 6 seconds. I said 6 seconds. Okay, so here, so you have to understand one thing today. Like in Group Plus, what we are focusing, we are doing as a group. Then all of you need to listen, right? But individual practical, you are given the personal concern, right? But here, like if you are going to give the personal concern, like it will take more time. Nah, delay දාන්න කිව්වේ නැහැ. Delay එකක්වත් දාන්න එපා. Delay දාන්න කිව්වේ නැහැ. Okay, so similar to these properties, you have to add similar properties to other things. සමානව අනිත් ඒවාට දාගෙන යන්න. Okay. So let's go back. I'm going to add this show in my stream. I'm going to the second image now. Second image, man right side align. I'm going to align this to right side, right? Right side align කරලා ඊට පස්සේ මම මේක උඩට ගන්නවා. මොකද මේ image එක පෙන්වන්න එපා. එහෙනම් මම මේ උඩට මේ හරියට ගන්නවා. හැබැයි right side තමයි align කරන්නේ. The right side align කරාම move කරන්න ඕන කොහෙටද? Right side එකටමයි. මෙහෙමනේ move වෙන්න ඕන. Right side align කරාම right side එකටමයි move වෙන්න ඕන. බැරි වෙලාවත් මම top align කරොත් මේක move වෙන්න ඕන උඩටමයි. Topමයි. Bottom align කරොත් move වෙන්න ඕන bottom වලට. හරි ඔය පැති හතර තමයි මම use කරන්න යන්නේ. Left align කරොත් left වලට, right align කරොත් right වලට, top align කරොත් top වලට, bottom align කරොත් bottom වලට. කොහොම තමයි image ටික පෙන්වන්න යන්නේ. හරි මම මේක bottom align කළා ඕනනම් පෙන්වන්න. මේ වගේ තියලා bottom align කරොත් it should go bottom. From the path I'm going to draw a line to bottom this time. Yes, center to bottom. You can see it's going down. Always you have to note that it should not display any white lines, right? The white line එකක් එනවනේ. ඒකේ white line එන්නේ නැති වෙන්න හදා ගන්නවා. If you are getting a white line, my recommendation is try again. Not to give any white lines. Still you are getting a white line in the bottom. Undo it. Let's make it here. Drawing a line from center to this side, right? No white lines. That is good. Okay, then let's apply here also with previous 6 seconds. Same thing. Let's go to the third one. Okay, third one. Okay, third one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom this. Zoom in. Zoom in කියන්නේ කොහොමද අපි ගන්නේ? Draw. I'm going to draw this. Okay, this is good. Draw this. I'm going to draw this for 6 seconds. And again with previous. So let's play it. Nice. So any animation you apply should be given a live status to the image. You can creatively do this. This is drawing. Okay, the next challenge.
So how to shrink it?
Shrink it, actually you have to change from the effect option. You have the draw shrink option. What to do with the draw also. The reversing, all these things are there. Timing. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Are you going to tell us the way of like adding a background music?
Yeah. මේකෙදි දැන් කියන්න බෑ. තව තප්පර 3කින් sorry තප්පර 30කින් විතර මේක disconnect කරනවා. ආයෙ connect වෙන්න. Please connect again. I am going to tell them how to add a background music. But next thing is how to go from slide to slide. So this also listen carefully. Then අනිත් පෙර නවත්තලා අහන්න. How to go from slide to slide. That is using transitions. First slide to second slide. I'm going to select all 3 slides now. Control and click all 3. Control, click, all 3. Then go to the transition. I'm going to apply fade.